In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Tarpapel on Canva. Whether you are preparing a quick announcement for a community event or a budget-friendly banner for a celebration, I'll guide you through a simple, clear process that looks great and is easy to follow. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. This brings you straight into the editor where you can choose a layout that fits your needs. In the search bar, type poster or banner. These options are already sized to common dimensions, which saves time and helps your design print cleanly. If you want something with a festive or local flair, browse Canva's tarpaulin templates for Pinoy-inspired designs. Pick a style that matches the mood of your event, bold and celebratory for parties, clean and professional for announcements. Once your canvas is ready, start editing the text, images, and colors. Prioritize readability. Use bold, sans serif fonts for headlines so they pop even from a distance. Keep your main message short and clear. Then add a smaller line for details like date and location. Think about hierarchy. The biggest text should be what people must notice first. For colors, go for high contrast light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background. This contrast makes your Tarpapel easy to read in real-world conditions. Avoid overcrowding the layout, leave breathing room around the edges and between lines so the design doesn't feel cramped. If you are adding images, choose ones with a clear subject and minimal clutter. You can add simple shapes or lines to frame key information, helping guide the eye. Align elements thoughtfully. Center alignment works well for simple announcements, while left alignment gives a more structured look. Stick to 2 or 3 fonts at most. And keep your palette consistent so the design feels cohesive. If you have a logo, place it small and neat, so it supports the message without stealing attention. When you are happy with the layout, click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Select PNG for crisp graphics and sharp text, or choose JPG if you want a smaller file size for easy sharing. Let Canva process the download, and save the file to a folder you can find quickly later. And that's it. Thanks for watching.